Hello everyone, my name is Shwet Kiran and today I'm going to present a webinar on digital marketing. Our website is www.dizzymarktz.com and my contact number is also displaying on the screen. For any kind of query related to digital marketing, you can visit our website and you can call me also in the working hours 9 to 6 Monday to Friday. So today we will be discussing about all the aspects related to digital marketing, online marketing, the current trend, the scenario of digital marketing in India, 2020 emerging trend in digital marketing. So first of all, I would like to brief you all about myself. I would like to introduce myself. I am Shwet Kiran. I'm having 8 years of corporate work experience in various industries like healthcare industry, insurance industry, event industry. And then thereafter, I am a co-founder and curator of dizzymarktz.com and also ITI aptitude test, and I am also involved with the network marketing of vedascure.in. So currently I'm handling these profiles, but I'd like to tell you that how all these things emerged. Initially, means like 1 year back, I was into traditional marketing only, but afterwards I realized that traditional marketing is no more in existence. If you want to work globally and if you want a global presence, if you want to become presentable at globally and you want to become a tech savvy, then you need to understand the current scenario of digital marketing. The trend has been changed. It's not like one-to-one marketing, like you have opened a shop and your traditional customer would visit your shop in the working hour and then they'll buy something from you. Now the trend is like you are going to provide the assistance 24 into 7. You'll have a virtual presence wherein customer can visit your website 24 into 7. Even you can sell your product 24 into 7 and you can provide them assistance and after sales services also 24 into 7. So this is the scenario of 24 into 7, not 9 to 6 or maybe 10 to 8 or 10 to 10 window is no more in existence. So I would like to just brief you all exactly what does digital marketing is. The digital marketing, in simple words, we can define it as achieving marketing objectives through applying digital technologies and media. As the name suggests, digital means online. You are going to achieve all your marketing goals through media and internet and all the online means and modes. Some of the people, they do think that no, this is not going to work in the way what I was expecting, and there are some myths also related to digital marketing. Like some of the people, they do think that nowadays email marketing is dead, it's no more in existence. Who is going to read those spam mails and those newsletters and those webinar and all these things? People do think like this, but no, this is wrong. This is a myth. Also, some of them, they do understand, they do think that SEO is also like search engine optimization is no more in existence because Google keep changing their algorithm, they pushes ads on tops. But again, I would like to tell you all that this is a myth. This is a very wrong attitude of us, what we think about Google. Yeah, of course I will say that they do follow some algorithm, but it's nothing like that that they do pushes ads on top. They are having some protocols, they are having some algorithm, they are using like some technologies, some analytics through which ads does appear on their search engine result pages. Okay, they are following some analytics which we are going to understand and which will be studying in our digital marketing course module. Facebook organic reach keeps declining. Social media is dead. Again, it's a myth that social media is dead and Facebook, Insta are no more in existence. Rather, I would like to tell you that in current market scenario, 80% of marketing is being generated through Facebook and social media only, because most of the people they do provide and they do keep themselves busy on these social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. All these things provided approximately, if we can calculate in terms of hours, like in 24 hours approximately a person devotes their 5 to 6 hours minimum on these social media platforms. They do keep on scrolling, they do keep on moving, they do keep on searching the things what they are looking for, and at the same ads do appear, some sponsored ads they do appear, they do try to catch their eyes. So nothing has been changed. So these are all myths. Rather, these things have emerged tremendously, these things have increased tremendously. It has not declined, it is not being dead. Paid ads are not sustainable because of huge competition. People do think that paid ads are not sustainable because there is a huge competition. If you are going to pay very high amount to Google, they are going to promote your ad on the top. So these things are again a myth. It's nothing like that. For a particular ad, Google is going to charge you n number of rupees and maybe n number of amount, and then only they'll push your ad on top. And suppose if one day you are not going to pay them that amount, then your ad will suddenly disappear from their search engine result page. It is nothing like that. It's again a myth. Google doesn't work like that. It's all depends upon their algorithm, their analytics, which we'll be studying, which we'll be discussing in our course module, that how exactly Google does work, how exactly you need to promote your ads on these search engine result pages, how exactly your ads, your business will get listed over it, how exactly it will get appear on their search engine result pages. All these things are a proper calculative analytics which we need to follow and which we'll be studying in our course module. So, how to do digital marketing? So, people do think that how we can do these digital marketing. So, first of all, I would like to tell you all that if at all you are going to do digital marketing, if at all you are intervening in that digital world, you need to understand that content is the king. Content is the foundation of all marketing. See, if you do not have a good particular content, okay, suppose a customer, whatever he is looking for, you are not going to provide that content, then of course your business ad would not be appearing over there. This means your business is not satisfying his requirement. Suppose, for example, if someone is looking for a shoe buy shoes online, suppose someone has searched it, okay, and you are producing something else. Suppose you are telling them how to do digital marketing course online, suppose, okay. So at that particular time when he is searching buy shoes online and you are providing some other irrelevant information to him, it's of no use for that particular customer. This means you are not entertaining his needs, you are not providing him the appropriate information. So in that case, your that particular ad will not appear on that search engine result page where the customer is looking for that information. So always we need to understand, if we want to boom in this sector, if we want really that a good presence in the digital world, if we want that people should know and understand about our business, about our product, we need to have a very good content over marketing. Social media and email marketing should be focused towards amplifying the content and extending its reach. If at all we are going to do any kind of email marketing, social media marketing, anything to approach our customers, we need to have a very good content. Okay, search engine will send traffic to your content if your content is good. Of course, see, Google do sends traffic for our particular content only if our content is relevant, if the quality is good. Okay, then only we'll reach the traffic. So what do you understand by traffic over here? Traffic is all those visitors, all those customers, all those like buyers, all those people who are visiting our website or who are searching for that particular product, for that particular services. Okay, so all those visitors who are visiting that particular search engine result page are known as traffic. Okay, why content is the foundation? Content drives social media. If there is no content, there is nothing to share, then no one would use social media. Yes, of course, as I told you, that if you do not have a good quality content, if you are not providing the exact information what a customer is looking for, of course, then in that case your information will be irrelevant for that particular customer, for that particular visitor, okay, who is visiting that search engine result page. Without a content strategy, there is no social media strategy. Of course, you need to have a very good content strategy. You need to follow or maintain a good strategy. Then only you can make another strategies related to your social media marketing, search engine optimization, and social media optimizations. All these things will work only if you have got a very good content strategy. If your content is not good, what you are going to promote basically? People use search engine to search for information and content, so search engine looks for quality content. Okay, content is the king. As I told you, content is the king over here. Okay, so what are the effective ways of digital marketing? The effective ways of digital marketing is, first of all, you need to plan the things. You need to understand what exactly is your planning is, what exactly you want to do. Then how you are going to manage your resources, whatever are your available resources, how exactly you are going to manage them. Okay, and then how you are going to optimize them, means how you are going to exactly do that particular activity. So in the latest from last 5-6 years, the digital marketing in India has emerged tremendously. It has been increased tremendously. If you can think 10 years, before 10 years, if we can discuss about it, if we can think, so digital marketing wasn't so much prevalent in India, but like from last 5 to 6 years we can say that of course it has become so much prevalent and it has emerged tremendously in India. So many YouTubers has emerged, so many Facebookers, Instagram followers, and all of them has emerged tremendously, okay, in India. And it has been expected that internet penetration will be increasing 55% in India by 2025, by the year 2025. Okay, so approximately we can think that like around 20% or 25% of total world populations, world internet populations, are internet users, are in India. They belongs to India itself. And so for digital marketing, they need to work on their marketing budget and return on investment as well. They need to allocate their resources in a best possible way, and they need to manage on their budgeting part so that they can get a very good return on investment. So approximately whenever we do such kind of activities, so it has been observed approximately that suppose if you have invested 1 rupees for digital marketing, then it is being expected that you should get at least 2 rupees in return. So approximately 100% return, double the return is expected, double ROI is being expected for this digital marketing budget campaign. Okay, we'll be starting about these budgeting campaign also in our course module in detail. Then digital marketing in India, it has been emerged a high investment in search engine marketing in 2017 e-commerce industry. So from last 3-4 years, so many of e-commerce industry has also been emerged, and they have been working over search engine optimization, organic optimizations, paid marketing. They are being working over it on all these things: paid marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, search engine marketing, and these social media optimizations, all these things, ppc, pay per click, they all are working on all these things, and it has been tremendously increased from last 3-4 years. So in our course module, which we have designed, so this program is best suited for which kind of person, who all can join our course module. So all kind of entrepreneurs, whether they are whether they are startups or they are small scale industries, SMEs, and whether they are college students, marketing professionals, job seekers, housewives, dropouts, anyone, they can join our course. This course is very much useful for all of them. It's easy to understand. If it all you give your dedicate your time wisely, and if you like thoroughly try to understand the concept, it's very interesting and easy to understand. It's very useful for all of you. If at all you are looking planning to like explore your career in digital marketing field, so it's useful for all of you. So we need to understand why you should learn digital marketing. PwC has forecasted that digital advertising will reach a whopping 300 billion in dollar in 2021, increasing from 135 billion in 2014. So it has been forecasted that digital advertising is booming, okay, and it will increase by 300 billion dollar in 2021, obviously. So this market is increasing day by day in a very huge scale, in a very tremendous way. So there is a lots of scope of our career, from our career point of view, if you can see. So there are lots of scope in this digital marketing field. Top MNCs and new age startups in India looking for experts in digital marketing. Small businesses also in the queue. So nowadays so many startups are coming up, okay, and so many MNCs and these small scale enterprises, small businesses, all of them who want their virtual presence. So all of them are looking for digital marketers for a very good virtual presence in the virtual marketplace. So this industry, digital marketing industry, is booming day by day, and there is lots of scope in digital marketing field. Digital marketing opens doors to self-employment, freelancing, YouTube creator, club, and blogging. Yes, of course, if you are a very good digital marketer, so it's not necessary that you need to get employed with one corporation or with one organization. You can also work as a freelancer. There are so many freelancers who are working as a digital marketer and who are grabbing so many opportunities. You'll be getting like opportunities like a freelance project related to social media marketing, related to SEOs, related to content marketing. And if you are good in that, if you are good in content marketing, you can easily grab so many projects, freelance projects related to that, and you can do well in those if you understand the main crux of the digital marketing theme. Okay, you just need to understand it first of all, then you can do it better and you can crack so many freelancer job. You can also become a very good blogger, you can become a YouTuber, you can write your own blogs and you can post it, and you can also earn through that. There are so many people who are earning through blogs. They are making lakhs rupees, 1 lakh, 2 lakh per month, only by like writing blogs on different blogging websites. You can also become a very good YouTuber and you can get payment through AdSense. Okay, so there are so many opportunities if you are good in digital marketing. If you have understood all the protocols, all the minor things of this digital marketing, then you can earn so well in digital marketing field, because this field is so much booming and there are so many companies which are coming up and who want their virtual presence on this virtual marketplace. Job profiles after one course: SEO, social media manager, digital marketing analyst. Yes, of course. See, just after 3 months of course, if you are very good, then suddenly your job profile will become a social media manager, digital marketing analyst, and also the packages are very attractive over here. Okay. So what our course include? In our course, what we are going to teach you is about digital marketing introduction, then digital marketing versus traditional market. What we need to understand, that what is the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Then only we'll understand that why we need to go digitally over traditional one. Okay. Then website planning process, we'll also teach you about website planning process, how you design website and how you can work on WordPress theme. Everything we need to will tell you, will teach you. In social media marketing, SEO, that is search engine optimization, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, paid advertising, paid marketing, PPC, pay per click, email marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing. Now I'll tell you what does affiliate marketing means. Affiliate marketing is something like network marketing in a layman language. Okay, because what you do in affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's product and they give you commission on that. Suppose you are promoting Amazon product on your website or through your referrals, then Amazon will pay you certain percentage like 10% on 12% commission on those products. So you earn through that particular activity, that is known as affiliate marketing. This is also very much booming in nowadays. Then we have designed the digital marketing course syllabus for India. So what exactly the course module for Indian students is: introduction to digital marketing. Is what is digital marketing, that will be covered in our course module which we have designed for Indian students. Why digital marketing? Digital marketing platforms, digital marketing organic and paid one, digital marketing era and the way forward, digital marketing for students, professional and businesses, search engine optimization, in which we'll be studying about on page optimization and off page optimization. Then some of the miscellaneous tools and plugins. These are some of the tools, analytics and plugins which we'll be studying in the digital marketing course module. Okay. Then search engine marketing, in some of the advanced campaign setting, how will set the campaigns, then bidding will be there, ad scheduling, ad rotations, everything, how exactly will schedule the ad, how exactly will our ad will rotate, the sponsored links, everything will be studying over it. Then analyzing account performance, then how our account is performing over the search engine result page, we'll be analyzing that, will be studying it, will be setting up a budget also, marketing budget for advertising budget also for our particular ad campaign, everything. Then AdWords editor, conversions, target CPS, everything. Then we'll be studying Facebook marketing and on Facebook marketing various activities, then analyzing their campaign, then LinkedIn marketing, Twitter, Instagram, everything, content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, social shopping, Facebook marketing, everything. Then trending digital marketing skills 2020. So what exactly is trending in 2020? Those trends, those skills also will be studying in our course module. Okay, which includes affiliate marketing, PPC, AdWords, everything. So what exactly is our achievement? What exactly our company is doing? We are also providing the course module to students, and we are also grabbing so many freelance projects. So we do engage our students also in those freelance projects. In that way they do their internship, and we also help them in placing in different organizations as well. Okay, so we have done 1000 plus PPC ad campaign, 13,000 plus students has been trained by us, 120 plus clients has been served by us, and 97% positive ROI on ads, whatever ads we have posted. So we have got 97% positive returns on that. Okay, so like course modules, as I already told you, that the same is our course module in which we'll be covering our digital marketing foundation, website planning, Facebook advertising, SEO, SMM, social media marketing related to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, paid advertising, pay per click, organic marketing, paid marketing, everything. Okay, affiliate marketing, email marketing, everything will be covering on our course module. So currently we are providing our students 30% off on our course module. If you enroll yourself today or maybe by this week, we are providing you 30% off on our course module. So now if you book our course now, or maybe maximum within this week, our offer price is 20,000 Indian rupee. Okay, because our normal scenario our course price was 30,000, but since we are providing you all a 30% off and you all have attended our webinar, so for all those students who have attended our webinar and who are going to enroll in this particular week, we are providing them a course fee of 20,000 Indian rupee. You can also avail EMI facility on the same. Okay, you can do Google Pay, Bhim UPI on this particular number. EMI facility is also available. Okay, so EMI is in 4 equal monthly installments. Okay, so in that case you need to pay us 5,000 per month. And due to this corona pandemic, we are only providing online classes. Okay, and we'll be providing you all sort of practical experience also. Will help you in placing in different particular industry. Will also help you in grabbing freelance projects, how to become a good blogger. We'll be giving you all sort of practical training, everything. Okay, because we have designed our course module like this, that there will be at least 90 days course module class, and then thereafter practical activities will be there. Will also help you in placing and grabbing freelance projects as well. We have designed our course module like this, that you our main focus is that you should understand each and every minute thing of digital marketing. Nothing should get skipped by you. Okay, so that you can become a very good digital marketer. So once after this 3 months, when you'll enter the digital marketing industry, and if someone will ask you anything related to that, you'll be able to answer that. You'll be able to post your or yourself ad campaign. You yourself can design your budgeting module. You yourself can manage your ad campaign, and you can manage multiple ad campaign, everything, because we'll be teaching you everything, how to manage your multiple ad campaign on search engine result pages, on social media pages, everything. Okay, so that's all of you. If you have any query, you can write mail to us on our ID info@dizzymarktz.com, or else you can also call on this particular number which is showing on the screen, that is 95822 So thank you so much all the viewers, and thank you everyone for attending our webinar. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.